Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. It's a brand new day to be beautiful and be thankful for life as we go about our day doing whatever we do. I am here making some breakfast for me and Ty. I am making porridge. I'm making oats porridge. Well, and Sarah, because Sarah shall get it from my titi, right, Sarah? Say morning, Fibs. Tell Fibs morning. Say morning, Fibs. Come and tell Fibs morning, Ty. Say morning, everybody.
Morning, choo-choo.
Give me that.
Morning, choo-choo.
Wait, they can't see you. Okay, wait, they see you now?
Morning, choo-choo.
He's saying that because of course he's driving his train all morning. You're so funny. Anyway, you guys, today is gonna be a productive day. I have to, it's not gonna be so busy like all the rest of the week. I have to go to one of my therapy sessions today.
Is your doctor you are going?
Yeah.
So we are going to take the tram and go to Lumbal, and we are going to Lumbal Jamet.
No, not Jamet, it's a Lumval.
Just Lumbal?
Right.
Then what?
And then we come back home.
Okay.
So I have to go to one of my therapy sessions, and if you guys wondering what therapy session she's talking about, then go and watch the previous video and then you'll all understand what I'm talking about. So I'm going to one of my therapy sessions today, and then I'll get back and chill a bit before we hit the road again to go run some errands. Of course, baby's off to work. Hopefully you guys would have seen him this morning if he vlogs, but I don't think he vlogs because I saw the camera at the same place I left it last night. So of course you guys will see him later. And Sarah is here having hiccup. I'm gonna give her some water in a bit. I'm gonna give her some water. But yeah, we are here doing well. Of course we're doing well. I was a little bit tired last night, so I slept in a bit later than usual this morning. So I woke up and feeling better. It's after 10 a.m. right now, and I'm about to have this porridge and then start pack our bags to go on the road for the day. So have a good day. Catch up and keep up. If you guys miss any vlog, subscribe if you're new to our channel, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. Wait, you have to come closer, they can't see you. Yes.
Faith, did you know that we've got that game that's called the game of the face?
What is it called in French?
I don't know.
Qui est-ce? Qui
Est-ce
est-ce? Qui est? Qui est? No, qui est? Yes. It's like he's telling him that we have a game called Who is Who. Look at that. Hiccup, icky face, hiccup, icky face. Yeah, hiccup. taking a nap right now. Tyler finished her breakfast and watching his tablet. I, in the meantime, have a little time before I start getting ready. I'm gonna make some chicken stir fry just to let it stay at home, because when we get back, it's just gonna wait on bed before we go back on the road. So we might be hungry or stuff like that, and to avoid us from going fast food, I'm trying to avoid the fast food as much as possible. If we have to go to fast food for Tyler, then fine, but for me especially, I'm just trying to avoid it. So I'm just gonna make some stir fry real quick. But you know what just came to mind? I saw a debate on Dr. Oz that you don't have to wash your chicken, but because of how what's been instilled in me since catering school and growing up, wash your chicken, I just have to, even though his explanation justify why you don't have to wash your chicken. So comment down below and let me know if you guys wash your chicken or you don't. But this mama have to wash your chicken, because to me, you're not just washing your chicken to get rid of, you're not just washing your chicken to try and prevent bacteria, but you're washing your chicken because you don't know how it's been handled. You don't know if it fall on the ground, you don't know anything. Because though I'm not a small-minded person, I don't like to think like if somebody going to put something on your food. I'm not that kind of thinker, but you don't know. You have some crazy people out there. You have some crazy people in this world. So I have to wash my chicken no matter what. But comment down below and let me know if you're okay washing your chicken, or if you're okay not washing your chicken. Whatever it is your choice. So hey, roll with the flow, girl. So I mince up this chicken, and now I'm just gonna cut some seasoning to go with it. And this is gonna finish in like 5 minutes, really. Not gonna take no time. And as you can see, it's chicken breast, the favorite part of the chicken. So he'll be happy. He'll be happy tonight when he gets home that I make this. I've never seen a man that hate bowls like my baby. And Sarah is in her room, in her bed. Let me see if you guys can see her. There she is. You guys can't see her, but she's on the monitor in front of me sleeping. And add a piece of thyme. I'm adding just a little bit of salt, because I'm going to add Marian's secret ingredient, as we call it, but it's a Jamaican jerk seasoning. And when you use this seasoning, you can use it for anything, and you just need a little bit because it's so strong. And I'm gonna pinch it until I can get my hands on some more. Guys, look at Sarah's eyes wide awake. Look at her, wide awake. She is not sleeping. Look at her. She's not sleeping at all. And voila, we're all done. And since this is not gonna eat right now, I'm gonna turn it off, close it, and the steam will finish its job with carrots. Ah, here's Sarah calling. Here. Hey! 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 What you making nice for? What you making noise for? Huh? There you are. What kind of kitty nap was that? What kind of kitty nap was that? Hmm? What kind of kitty nap was that? What is that mouth? What is that mouth? What's that face you're making? Huh? What's that face you're making? What's that face you're making? Hmm? Sweet, 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 sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. What's that face you're making?
Wiggle like a worm. Wiggle like a worm. Let's stand up fast. Move a little bit. A little bit more. Now freeze. Here we go.
Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Hey, Blippi, that was a really cool dance. Now I'm gonna teach one. Here we go.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who is that? Who is this?
To cut your hair.
You guys, we are all dressed and ready to go, and baby girl's
Let's-
sleeping. I just feed her.
We are
Silence
going.
here.
We are ready to go to Lombal Hospital, and we are going beside Lombal Hospital, Mama.
Yes.
Okay, we are going beside Lombal Hospital, and look at my number.
What number is that?
91.
Good job.
And look at my clothes.
Ooh, so this is my outfit of the day.
This is my outfit of the day.
Show them what you're wearing. What you're wearing. What color is your top?
Wait.
See, I'm wearing a gray top with the number 91 on it.
Yeah.
And what is your pants?
Red.
Yeah, with a nice shoes,
And
right?
look at my sock.
Ooh. And baby girl outfit of the day. She's wearing a floral onesie with a headband. But listen, Sarah's head is so little. Every time I put headband on her, it just flips off. Loops. If it's not the one with the elastic band in it, it just fall off her head. Her head is so little. Anyway, you guys, I can't show you my outfit of the day because Sarah is
Whoa, Mama, your
in my
clothes
hand.
is pretty.
Oh, thank you. But funny enough, I am still wearing my maternity pants, you guys. Look at that. Still wearing my maternity pants because my my pants before I got pregnant can't fit as yet. So I don't have any other pants to wear, so I have to go shopping. But I'm still wearing my maternity pants. But hey, if I don't tell you that's what I'm wearing, you can't know. If you don't see the maternity elastic part on it. Anyway, I flashed on a little eye today and a little lip. Still no makeup on my face, as in no foundation and powder.
Mama.
Yes, Di? So that's her little outfit of the day. I tell you guys, her head is so little. Look at her cute self. My cute girl. Tyler, be careful. Obsessed.
I want a picture.
You want a picture?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Hi. Yes, you. Hello.
Did you finish? Did you finish?
Yes, I finished.
Okay, so come.
I soon come play with you. Hey, hey, big girl. You chilling out? You chilling? Mama gonna get some clothes on you, okay? 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 The rabbit over your head. Yes.
Mama,
I swear sometime you answer me. Yes, Ty.
this is my remote control for my air fan. I have my air fan on top of my room.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
turn it on.
Alright. She's so funny. You guys, we are back. My appointment went well, to say the least. It's of course a work in progress. I have a few more to go to. I think I've completed 3 so far, and my OBG recommend 10 sessions in total, so I still have a few to go. But yeah, that went okay. I am going to get some clothes on Sarah, and then I'm gonna spend some time with Tyler, because Tyler got this new Play-Doh ice cream set for his birthday that he's
What
been
I can do. Look.
oh be careful. This set that he's been wanting to make his ice cream.
There's
So
no more place for that.
okay, I'm gonna help him. Babe and I fit it up last night, and he's going to make his ice cream. I also got more track for his train, and he's been enjoying extending his train.
And look what they have.
Your train?
New train.
Yeah, you have new train. And you build this track for it?
Yes, but yesterday it was a little bit harder.
No, that's okay. A little challenge is good. Alright, Mama coming to play Play-Doh ice cream with you now. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and then you're gonna get to do it all by yourself. Okay?
Play with me.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with you a bit, but then I'm gonna rest after because I'm tired.
Yeah.
Alright. You can go up and come back down now. Oh, the ice cream fall out the cup. Oi.
Oh, when it's finished, we can put it here. Mom.
If you want.
And then look.
Yes, Mama. Mama coming for you. Queen, you ready to get up? Ready to get up?
Come on.
You guys got home and have a complete change of heart about dinner and made rice instead of cooking veggies. So this is what dinner is looking like for tonight.
Look at mine.
Then you almost finished eating, right?
Yes, and I don't want to
Eat up all of it.
a little bit
All of it.
a little
And
bit
Sarah is sleeping. She's just falling asleep on me. only seen half of babe because we're about to go to bed. Can you see? You are so tired. Look at your face. You look worse than I do. Anyway, you guys, while my hot chocolate is getting ready, I'm coming on to end the vlog. Taylor is of course knocked out long time. I told you guys, and Sarah is knocked out, and we are heading to bed because we're tired.
Yeah, that's the thing with you. When you're tired, it's like you slowly you're decreasing, you're showing you're tired until you crash. Me, I keep all of the energy
Then just
and
crash one time. So we're just coming on to tell you guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to our channel, and don't worry, we're going to slowly get back in our routine of giving you guys our Jamaican expressions, because I know that it's our signature and you guys really been missing that. So just bear with us as we kind of just get back into the groove of things. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.